Here we are back again, and we're changing a blade out that we just hit a big bolt in this cant with. So we're measuring. How big are these wheels?
These are 28-inch wheels. These are actually big enough to hold a 2-inch blade. They're a little thicker than our other mill. They're like an 1 1/4 inch thick. You can actually run a 2-inch blade on the wheels.
Has a very heavy duty drive belt right here. It has a blade guide system that's it has a roller back here, and the blade goes in here. It's a little different from what we have seen before, but it works very well with this mill. So we're putting a new blade on there at the moment.
We run a 055 1/2 blade. Mr. Robert Howard has started sharpening them for us, and so far we've had real good luck with them. They make a good smooth cut. We're going to tighten it up to 1,700 pounds. That one's got white out on it.
And the wheels are solid steel, so it runs metal to metal. There's no belt on these wheels. I'm sure it probably has a little crown on this wheel.
It does, like 10 thousandths, I believe it is.
Okay.
And they'll last a long time, but we can have them resurfaced. We have a machine shop there in Columbia that resurfaces them for us. These here has actually never been resurfaced. All right, what I'm doing here is I'm tightening what they call bullets on this blade. And that keeps your blade good and straight. Don't let it tilt. You just have to kind of wiggle them a little. They'll get a little stuck, but it's no problem. It's just something you got to do every time you change a blade. They wire as you saw. Sometimes I may have to tighten them again before I get through sawing.
So you want just a clearance, just enough for your blade to pass through.
It just touches them, is all it does.
Okay.
And of course our tracking looks good on it.
Has a wiper brush here to clean his wheels off.
Yeah, I probably need to replace that. It would really help me.
Well, I know how that is. There's a lot of things I'd probably need to do. Okay, so we have changed the blade. We have adjusted the blade guides. We're going to cut a couple of feet off of this cant where we hit that big bolt, nail, whatever it was. It's pretty, whatever it is, it's pretty good size here. So, cut that off.
Yeah, that's been in there for a long, long time.
Hey, the Indians put that in there.
We do. You do? Make enough trip for us. We have to.
All right, we're getting ready to fire back off and continue sawing this cant up. Had a little uh-oh in it with that big bolt, nail, or whatever it was. Very impressed with the speed that this sawmill cuts. And quiet. May sound like a little noisy to you on this video, but really, it's very quiet.
Good slick cut.
Good, looks great. Thank you.
cut them down to 1.5 inches, and we'll zip that up to 2x4s, 2x6s, 2x12, whatever.
Okay, so we just cut this cat up 22 inches. Yeah. 22 inches wide. It did not take very long. It was very impressive the speed that this machine cuts. It's quiet, does an excellent job. The gentleman here has a very nice operation. We will tell us again where you are and what your phone number. Tell us what your phone number is in case somebody wants to get in touch with you to have some work done.
Okay, our phone number is 601-794-7505. We're located between Baxterville, Mississippi and Columbia, Mississippi, out on Highway 13, close to the Lamar-Marion County line.
Okay, well, we hope you have enjoyed this video. I have really enjoyed being here with this gentleman and seeing what his operation is and how efficient he is and how it works. And if you like what you have seen, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with Mr. Robert and Howard at Never a Dull Moment. Thank you for watching and have a great day.